In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Beehive newsletter. Let's walk through the entire publishing flow from blank page to a sent and posted newsletter, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to make it smooth. Start by heading to the Beehive app and opening the newsletter section from the left-hand menu. On the post page, click Start Writing to begin a new piece. In the template library, choose blank draft if you want full control, or pick a template if you'd like a head start with structure and styling. At the top of your draft, add a clear reader-focused title. Just beneath it, write a concise subtitle that sets expectations and adds context. Then move into the main body. Keep paragraphs tight, use descriptive subheads, and aim for scannability. If you reference links or calls to action later, note them now so your flow feels intentional. When your draft feels ready, click Next. Now choose how you want to distribute the post, email and web, email only, or web only. Using email and web typically gives you the broadest reach. Next, select your email audience segment so the right subscribers receive it. If you're publishing to your site, confirm the web audience or visibility so it appears where you expect. Click Next to continue. You're now on sending details. Add a compelling subject line, make it specific and benefit-driven to improve opens. Then craft preview text that complements the subject. Think of it as a second hook that teases value. Under email header buttons, you can enable social icons and likes and comments to encourage engagement directly from the inbox. When that looks good, click Next. In web post settings, customize the post URL to keep it short, readable, and keyword-friendly. Upload a post thumbnail to control how your article appears on your site and when it's shared. If you want to grow your list from the web version, configure advanced email capture to prompt visitors to subscribe. Decide whether to allow comments to invite conversation. Then open SEO settings to fine-tune discoverability. Enter a focused meta title and a clear meta description, and check the search engine result preview to ensure it reads well and doesn't truncate important words. When everything is set, click Review to double-check content, distribution, and settings. From there, click Schedule if you want this to go out at a specific time, or choose Publish Now to send immediately and post to the web according to your selections. And that's it. Your Beehive newsletter is ready to reach your audience.